Let's start with the graphical method to solve simultaneous equations. Step 1. We rewrite both equations in the form y equals to mx plus c. For example, the equations become y equals to negative x plus 6 and y equals to x minus 2. Step 2. We draw both lines on the same graph. To do this accurately, we find the x and the y-intercepts for each line by setting x equals to 0 to find y and y equals to 0 to find x. For the equation y equals to negative x plus 6, when x equals to 0, y equals to 6. When y equals to 0, x equals to 6. For the equation y equals to x minus 2, when x equals to 0, y equals to negative 2. When y equals to 0, x equals to 2. Step 3. Once both lines are drawn, the solution is simply to point where the two lines intersect. Step 4. Finally, we check the solution by substituting the coordinates of the intersection into both equations. In this example, the lines intersect at 4, 2, which satisfies both equations. So the solution is x equals to 4 and y equals to 2. Now, it's your turn to practice using the graphical method. We are given two equations, y equals to 2x plus 1 and y equals to negative x plus 7. Take a moment to try this on your own. Let's solve these simultaneous equations using the graphical method. Step 1. Both equations are already in the form y equals to mx plus c, so we can draw them directly as straight lines. Remember, to plot each line accurately, find the x-intercept by letting y equals to 0 and the y-intercept by letting x equals to 0. For the equation y equals to 2x plus 1, when x equals to 0, y equals to 1. When y equals to 0, x equals to negative 0.5. For the equation y equals to negative x plus 7, when x equals to 0, y equals to 7. When y equals to 0, x equals to 7. Step 2. Look for the point where the two lines intersect. Step 3. Always check your solution by substituting the coordinates into both equations. If done correctly, the intersection point and the solution to the simultaneous equations is 2, 5. Did you get it right?
Click subscribe to become smarter with Learn Maths Today channel.